CIECA's been a great benefit to the industry, ensuring that the data that everybody needs to operate their business, they can get access to it.
I've been with CIECA for probably 20 years now, and everything they've done is just revolutionized the industry and done great things to bring more companies together to manage their business more efficiently.
CIECA standards are really at the heart of the collision industry, and it facilitates the communication between all the various parties, and it's critical to our business.
Very important for the industry to be efficiently communicate with each other. All the different players in the industry needs to have an efficient way they can share messages and share information.
What I've seen with them is that they've really worked to help the communication flow smoother throughout the collision industry.
Well, the key is so that everybody can communicate on a common IT platform, so that you can communicate with all your vendor partners and business-to-business communications on a standardized level.
The CIECA standard is really nice to have, because one of the largest problems that we have with our company is being able to talk to other companies like insurance companies and whatnot, really streamline and make a lot of our businesses easier.
CIECA, in my business, I need to get standardized information, so it really is important that we get it from CIECA. What they do is great for us.
The IIHS tour was incredible. I had an idea what they were about, but it's a very dramatic experience to see the car crash, and then as well as to learn all the process that they go through and how much they learn about vehicle safety.
So far the conference is the best one ever. The forum today overall is, again, as I indicated, the best it's ever been. Very happy with it.
You can't overestimate the value of it. I mean, you learn more here than you do in a typical classroom or an online class.
So far, I've enjoyed the networking, just being able to meet some new people and expand my professional network and be able to see who else is out there.
There's so much electronic information that is going into the modern automobile that without these kind of shows, it's impossible to keep up with it.